Okurujirira ahari Beni niwamanya Kashumbusha o DPC wa Kisoro nagira ngo banyakwatwa bashanjure bine mbundu eyechika echa AK47 kandi bature nibakora obushuma ho myanya itari yemwe nemwe ho muri Kisoro barikozesa embundu ni yemwe ngo kandi ibizire kwatirwa bakakwatirwa aha kamera eza CCTV echabaretire kwata Manirakiza Anthony.
Some of the robberies were captured on the CCTV cameras. The CCTV camera led us to arresting of one Manirakiza Anthony.
DPC Kashumbusha na Jangu Gerard Irankunda inyuma ho akaya kwatiro muri Mbarara na bwanyimaniko kutoroka atyo hakagaruka muri Kisoro aho yagenzire akatandika kutendeka Anthony.
Arias Nerea, and this one was we had arrested him at first, taken him to Mbarara for further interrogation by Flying Spot, where he escaped from and then he came back here.
Kashumbusha nagira ngo bwayime kweza kubacondoza abantu bari kutekatekwaho bicirize kuba bayejumbire ho mukwiba okwabire ho myanya erimo mugomberero town council na tate ahamwe na mutorere home district ya Kisoro.
They have confessed, and now we are trying to take all their statements into them. The group is so big that we're looking for more people that have been
Mwe kwa RDC tukamuhamya kugira ngo ho bwahati abibyo kwerinda bakozi iseho obukugu bw'amani okubasa kubayora.
We managed to arrest guy Gerard Irankunda alias Nderea, who has participated in many robberies in Kisoro.
Robert yayongera yashoborora ngo bwahati hebyo kwerinda ho muri Kisoro bicureyire ngo haba kushanga ngo ahansharoho natariho akabikona.
Security is calm, our borders are safe and secure, and so people should continue doing their own activities normally.
Robert nagira ngo mbundeji aba batuire bajine okurwomwa gw'2017 ngo kandi ekoze sibwe omukwita emirundi 3 niko kuhiga aminyeto okwetantara okuza ombikora nkebi.
I want to urge the youth, our youth, I appeal to you, you desist from criminality, because still in prison, in our police cells, we have a big group which has been participating in the different robberies.
Robert nagira ngo banyime kweza kucondoza abanyakutekatekwa haba bagira ngo bakozise embundeji omukora ebihagaro ebitari mwe na bimwe ngo kandi bakiriyo nibaronda nabandi.
We are going to get all those guys, and already we know them. It's better you surrender yourselves. Maybe if the government is to give you amnesty and forgiveness.
Banyuma yo kwata Irankunda ayebembira byo kwerinda yabatwaro mwanya aho batuire basherekire embundeji.
After arresting Irankunda, then Irankunda led the team to where this gun was being kept. And he has disclosed that they have been shifting it from place to place.
Aba obwahati bari ya polisi ya Kisoro kandi na nebikwekwete bindi nibiyongera kugenda omisho. Amakuraga gasha kwa Adonia Tuheire.
Gatambi gishushanyo naho kandi nayo mbona ni wanje. Ari kubona